In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stretched out text animation in CapCut PC. So first, of course, open up your project. Then next is add in a text layer. So you can just simply click on text and add this default text and position it along with your video clip. Of course, add in your text and customize its appearance. So you can also just choose from the options available. And once you're done customizing the appearance of your text, right click on it in timeline and create compound clip. With the text clip selected, switch to the video tab and go to mask. And here add a mask and choose film strip. Now move the playhead at the beginning of the clip. So here in this part, just minimize the size of the mask until the text no longer appears. Then add a keyframe by clicking on this diamond button. Of course, we're going to also make adjustments to our text. And this time, move the playhead just a bit forward. And this time, adjust the mask until the text is all visible once again. Then next is move the playhead for a bit forward once again, then switch to basic tab. And here turn off uniform scale. And of course, make sure that you add a keyframe for scale height. Next is move the playhead once again a bit forward and this time increase the scale height for you to be able to stretch the text vertically. So adjust it until your desired size or length or until you get that stretched effect. And lastly, head over to the animation tab and here simply add in the fade in and fade out effect for your video. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.